Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Clash Royale. To log out of Clash Royale, first of all, open up your Clash Royale application on your device. Once you open up the home page of Clash Royale, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. You will then be able to see a pop-up where you need to tap on the Supercell ID option. Now, click on the gear button at the top left and then find the log out button from the options that appears. Tap on log out and click on log out once again to log out of your Supercell ID, and this will log you out of your Clash Royale game. After logging out, the game will take you back to the login screen. So that's how you easily log out of Clash Royale. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.